Welcome back to another tutorial, everyone. This is ApMedia. So today I'll be doing a quick color correction or color grading using camera raw filters on Photoshop. So this is the flat image that we have, and we'll be color grading to get this particular result. Okay, so we'll be color grading this flat image to get this particular result. Okay, so if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, there's a little subscription button around this side of the video. Just click on the icon to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my updates. Anytime I drop a new video, you get notified. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial now. So we have the image here. I'm going to the first thing I'm going to do now is come to filter and camera raw filter. The shortcut is Ctrl Shift and A. Okay, so this is the interface of camera raw filters. This is where we'll be doing all the edits, all the color correction, all the adjustments to bring the real colors out in this image. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to add some contrast to this picture. So I'm going to increase my contrast a little bit, and then take note, there is no specific figure on what I'm about to do now. So your image, the figures that you would use for your own image or for similar image may be different. So whatever I'm doing now is peculiar to this particular image. Okay, so I've added some contrast to this. Now if you look at this image, it's a little bit desaturated. Okay, so I'm going to add some saturation and vibrance to this. So let's come down to vibrance and add some vibrance to this, and let's give it saturation. Okay, also the quality of this image is not so sharp. All right, if you look at it, it's not so sharp. So I'm going to be adding some texture and clarity. So texture, add some texture, add some dehaze. Now we have this. Okay, and we can still increase our saturation. So this is what we currently have now. This is what we have. All right, and you can still add more saturation to it. Okay, now under detail, we are going to increase the sharpness, that is sharpening. So I'm going to add some sharpening to this to make the image sharp. All right, and color grading. Okay, so let's do color mixer first before color grading. So what color mixer does is, color mixer brings out some colors, some particular colors in a design. For example, when you look at green from here, when we increase green, it's going to make the green colors in this image pop. Right, so when we reduce green, for example, let me reduce green, you can see that the green in this image are a little bit dull now. So by the time I increase green, the green element or the green colors will come out more. The other color we have that is prominent in this image is yellow and orange. So we can increase yellow and orange. All right, to bring out those colors. We don't have purple here, we don't have magenta, and even red, there's no much red here. So I think that's going to be what we'll do for the color mixer. All right, and let's go to color grading now. Color grading. So from color grading, we can push this slider a little bit, and we'll add. Okay, so I'm pushing this slider towards orange and green because those are the most prominent colors that we have here. If we push it to something like this, we'll be having this. Okay, so I'm pushing the slider towards what we have, towards the yellow and the green around here, and I'll also do the same thing for this. All right, I'll do the same thing for this, and let's check the blending to see if it will balance well. Okay, so I think we are done here now. Yeah, I think we are done here. So let's go to effects. You can add some grain effect to this, and of course vignette to make the edges a little bit dark. So I'm adding negative vignette to this this side now. Okay, so I think we have gotten this. So this is before. All right, so toggle this setting. This is before and this is after. All right, I'm going to click on OK to leave this interface, but there's something I did not do before I started. Okay, I was supposed to duplicate this layer 0, this layer 0 that we have here. I was supposed to duplicate it so that we compare how it was before and also check how it is now. Okay, so if you can see from here now, so this is what we have now. Let's see before. This is before and this is after. So let's click on OK now to compare it with the previous one. All right, so you can see the colors. Amazing. The colors are out. This was what I did initially, and this is what we have now. I think I even prefer this one that we just did now. This one is more relaxed with the colors, and yeah, this one is more relaxed with the colors. Okay, so this is going to bring me to the end of this video. If you find this tutorial helpful, I need you to like this video, and if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. If you need me to explain or to further explain on some of the things I just did here now, you can drop them in the comment section. I will answer the question. And if you have not yet subscribed, also if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, as it will help me grow and give me more encouragement to keep creating more content like this for you. Right? So until I come your way again, this is ApMedia. Bye for now.